Hello everyone, this is Davis Bae the Preconadvisor. This November 11th, freehold towns, semis, and singles are coming to Pickering. Residing right by the Greenwood Conservation Area, this is a great opportunity to own your own home, which is so close to Toronto and is even closer than Ajax or Whitby. You can drive to North York in 22 minutes via Highway 401 or 24 minutes via Highway 407. This is insanely close to Toronto and you won't find any projects like this for a while. Semis are starting at $950K, while resale freehold towns built by Metami Homes are selling $900,000 across the street. Pickering is the biggest growth center of all Durham region with the highest proven property value appreciation in the GTA. Since this is not Toronto, you only have to pay one land transfer tax as well. Please be aware, Platinum access is very limited to few agents, so please contact me for details such as floor plans and special incentives as this project officially launched on November 11th. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.